doing the 360 Slim Trinity RGH 3 Pico board, flush it with the UF2 from the mounted these pins onto it. There's 7 in this corner. It's like 16 to 21. Just got that cable ready. Now I gotta put a couple wires and a resistor on the back of the board. Here's the bottom of the Trinity. Everything done. This is FT2V1, the circle thing. This one goes in between the R and the 3. It's just a little micro screw hole thing. And this one is just right above the R here. R3R. This is the second post down from the left, and there's a 10K resistor in line between that. Here's the RGH 3 mounted Trinity. Just got it working. There's a Pico flusher. There's proof it works. Plugged in now. Just follow the steps on Xbox360hub.com for the RGH3, and those 2 wires on the back, just like I showed you, and somewhere in all these cables to these points. It shows you on their website, and follow the steps on how to use the JRunner app, and then you'll have a reset glitch hacked 360.